What's going on, guys? Miguel, CEO of Gold Standard Heating and Air. Just want to talk about this install we did here today. Put a Bosch system, 410 system, air handler. Outside we got a heat pump, brand new water heater, hybrid from Bradford White. Ran all new copper line for the pressure relief. Boom, boom, all the way outside. Check it out, man. Super clean install. Reconstructing the platform, putting on the sheet metal corners, man. That's just a touch right there. All clean lines, everything, wires tucked in. These are the installs you'd expect to see from Gold Standard Heating and Air. Now let's go check outside. Alright guys, now to the outside. We got a 4-ton 20-seer Bosch system. Brand new disconnect box. We don't reuse stuff out here. Everything new. New refrigerant line set. Nice and sealed up. Got the pink caps out here so they won't jack your refrigerant. Man, we'd be out here yelling, but man, this thing is super quiet. I could hear just be whispering, talking to you right now. You can hear that, right? That's how quiet this thing is. Bam, let's go. Super excited for this, man. It's so cold inside right now. Let's not forget the brand new 200 amp panel that Lionheart did for us. Look at this thing. You got all the room. You want to add a jacuzzi, a car charger, you name it. Look at all this room you got in here. Look at that. You know who to call. Check it out right there. Lionheart Construction Corp. Bam. Don't forget that. Out.